Today we shall make revision of class 10 A Letter to God by J.I. Furness. Before you read, this is class 10 for CBSE, NCERT and also Odisha board. All boards have asked it because this is a very famous lesson prose A Letter to God. Have you ever written any letter? Where you write letter? For writing letter, you have to go to the post office and drop the letter in the post box. But nowadays it is also deliverable by the courier service. But it is the writer has written about the poor man where there is no courier service available, only post office was there. When his crops were lost, damaged, and he was at a great loss, but he has only one option to go to the nearby post office. Have you ever gone to the post office? This is the cheapest way of send money to someone, but through money order, write letters. That has been given in the book. You just see the book, chapter 1 and also page 1. The post office, inside go to the post office and experience by yourself what you feel. It is very good office now. Post office have been developed very well. Now we can also open accounts, ATMs, passports, life certificates, everything is done in the post office. A very reliable service of the central government. Speed post is there, you can track it. But at that time he had just written one letter to God. To whom? To God. He thought that letter has reached the God, but the postmaster and postman, they all laughed, but they read the letter and helped the poor man to compensate his loss. Just you have already learned the lesson, we have read the lesson. Today just we are making the revision. So you just remember what you have learned. This is in the book, it is given how to fill up the money order form. You can go to the post office and see for yourself. And also many things are done here. The house, the lesson, the house, the only one in the entire valley. The house was only one, so there was no other one to help him. When जिसका कोई नहीं होता है उसका खुदा होता है. इसी तरह से उसका जो लॉस हो गया है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया है, तो किसको बोलेगा? उसका भगवान को ही बोलेगा, मदद करेगा उसको. इसलिए तुम्हारा अगर कोई नहीं है, इफ़ यू हैव नो वन एल्स नियर यू बट वन पर्सन इज देयर, गॉड. गॉड इज ऑलवेज देयर. ही इज विद इन यू एंड आउटसाइड ऑल्सो यू. बट here the person felt that yes, God willing. Read it, listen. God willing means what is happening happens in the wish of, by the wish of God. God willing. That is the thing. Just read the lesson. I am highlighting this. The God willing. Just remember it. Always think that everything is done by the wish of God and only by the will of God. Without His wish, the leaves of the trees cannot fall on the tree. So just read. And now Lencho had predicted big drops of rain. Big drops of rain came and all his crops were destroyed. So what he had decided? He decided to write a letter to God. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his only one crop, the help of God. Only one hope. Everyone has the only one hope. This hope, you all remember, only one hope. Even if everything is there, patient is there in the hospital, only God is the only hope. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God. You also remember in the day of examination, help of God. You are not prepared. Whose eye had been instructed to see everything. This, listen carefully. Whose eyes? God's eyes. See everything. Even what is deep in one's conscience, in your heart, what you are thinking, He can know, God. So you don't have to express your desire to Him. Just remember Him, He knows everything. Lencho was an ox of a man, working like animal. He tried his level best. You have written in the Shloka Gita, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्तु मा फलेषु कदाचन. तुम काम करते रहो लेकिन फल का आशा मत रखो. भगवान जो फल देगा वही अच्छा आता है. इसलिए गॉड ही रोट व्हाट ही रेट इन द लेटर, इफ यू डोंट हेल्प मी माई फैमिली एंड आई विल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर. वो भगवान को चिट्ठी लिखा, अपना दुख जताया कि इफ गॉड विल नॉट हेल्प his whole family will go hungry for the whole year. His crops are lost. He wrote to God on the envelope, then put the letter inside it. Then he troubled, went to the town. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped the mailbox. In the post office, he had to put a stamp and he dropped it on the mailbox. Then the letter was posted. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. When you write a letter, you expect a reply. तुम कभी चिट्ठी लिखते हो किसको? किसी को चिट्ठी मिलता है तुमको, तो तुमको रिप्लाई करना है। RSVP जैसे इन्विटेशन कार्ड मिलता है, तुमको भी चिट्ठी का रिप्लाई करना है। कोई भी चिट्ठी लिखता है तो उसका रिप्लाई चाहता है, एक्सपेक्ट करता है। One should expect the reply. Similarly, Lencho had asked for help for God and he got the reply. Though it was given by the postmaster himself and postman, but he replied. Immediately, Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. He got a paper and ink and he wrote the reply. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he leaked and then affixed to the envelope with a blow of his fist. Blow of his fist, he was very angry because what he has expected for 100 he had not got. The moment the letter fell in the box, the postmaster went to open it. It said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. He had asked for 100 but only 70 pesos. Send me the rest since I need it very much. Because he needed 100 pesos, so he asked for God. If you want anything, you should demand it from God. Because he is a friend, but don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. He thought that the postmaster or the postman people have taken away his money. That is why he was very angry. And this is the story. Just remember, very simple. You should be always simple when praying to God. Anything, you don't have to just express. God knows everything. Just to write, express you to work. तुम्हारा काम क्या है? पढ़ना है। पढ़ोगे, वर्क करोगे, हार्ड लेबर करोगे तो तुम्हारा फल मिलेगा परीक्षा में। फर्स्ट डिवीज़न हो, सेकंड डिवीज़न हो, कुछ भी हो, कोई भी हो, उसमें कोई घबराने का नहीं। जितना काम करोगे उतना फ़ायदा मिलेगा तुमको। अभी शायद तुमको फर्स्ट डिवीज़न नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन फ्यूचर में ये तुम्हारा काम आएगा। जब जीवन के बैटल फील्ड में तुम आ जाओगे नौकरी के लिए, वो तो ये तुम अच्छी तरह से पढ़ाई करोगे, ये ज़िंदगी को तुम्हारा काम आएगा। इंटरव्यू में, कोई भी परीक्षा होगा, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, सभी में तुम्हारा काम आएगा। +2 में, +3 में, जितना NDA, डिफेंस, कोई भी एग्जाम, इंजीनियरिंग, मेडिकल, कोई भी करो, इंग्लिश तुम्हारा काम आएगा। यू शुड लर्न इंग्लिश केयरफुली। थैंक यू। आई एम राज किशोर। इफ लाइक इट, प्लीज़ subscribe it and share my